Number 16. Convert 7 gross, 8 dozen and 5 unit into unit. Okay. So what is given here? Given is equal to 7 gross, 8 dozen, 5 unit. Okay. To find, convert to units. What will be the solution? To convert to unit, we know 1 dozen is equal to 12 units and 1 gross is equal to 12 dozen. So we can write here is equal to, here gross are 7, so 7 into 12 will be the dozen plus 8 dozen, and if all these dozens are to be converted in unit, we have to multiply by 12 plus 5 units. Now we will solve this. 84 plus 8 into 12 plus 5. Here it will be 92 into 12 plus 5. If we do multiplication, 12 2s are 24, 12 9s are 108, 108 plus 2, 1110. 1110 plus 5 units is equal to 1109 units. Okay, so our answer is equal to 1109 units.